In this video, I'll show you how to use special materials in Shapespark, like water and grass. We'll start with a simple outdoor scene with a swimming pool and a garden. Let's begin with the water material. I'm applying it to a flat surface inside the pool. The built-in water waves normal adds movement, and with waves, speed and scale, you can control how calm or dynamic the water feels. The color and opacity define how clear the water is, and the refraction factor adds subtle distortion to what's underneath. With just these settings, you get animated water without adding extra geometry. Now let's move on to the grass material. Grass adds visual depth while staying lightweight, which makes it great for real-time scenes. You can control the height of the grass, the number of layers, and its direction. Direction can be set to grow straight up or follow surface normals, which is useful on slopes or curved surfaces. Grass isn't only for outdoor scenes. By using a low height, you can also use it as a carpet material indoors. This creates a thicker, more realistic look than a flat texture. That's how you can quickly use water and grass materials in Shapespark to add realism to both exterior and interior scenes.